This video is going to show how to go into dealer mode on a radio that's been set up for dealer mode. For an Icom, this is an F80DT, which is the UHF version. I believe the F70DT would be the VHF version. This is an analog and P25 portable. This particular one is the UHF. When it comes to the FPP option or the dealer mode on these, as far as I can tell, whether the channel is P25 or analog initially must be set up in the software. For instance, we're going to be working with channel 1. That's been set up in the software as an analog channel. If you want to have a channel that's P25, you might want to have a few channels set up in each zone, which if you're going to be going to an area where you might need to change frequencies on P25, you could just designate them as such. So the FPP option doesn't appear to change the analog or digital. It just appears to change some of the basic features of the channel. And we're going to be setting up channel 1. So to do this, and again, this is not every Icom, but only ones that are set up with dealer mode capability. So we press the side lower button and P0 and turn it on. Display says dealer mode, and we enter the dealer password, which on this radio is 123456. Then it says set mode. Press P0. That shows the zone. We're going to be changing channel 1 in zone 1. So from here, press the side button, and it says RX frequency narrow. If you want to enter in the frequency, you press P3. Then you can see where it's flashing. It's ready to be changed. So I'm going to press 446.0 just to keep it. And if you want to change it from wide to narrow, you press P1. Okay, so we're going to leave it narrow. So now that we set the frequency, receive frequency, we press the side top button. Now it's TX frequency. So we're going to press F3 or P3. Alright, now we're ready to enter in the frequency, which I'll just enter 446.0. And I'm going to press the side top button again. Now here you can set your tone. One other thing. On TX frequency, if you press P2, you can set it to receive only. If you want to put in a frequency you don't want it to transmit on, you press P2 and it'll say inhibit. Alright, so we're back up to CTCSS. If you want to do tone, you're set to go there, you press F3, and you can press the top side button or bottom. You can go up and down in your tone with the top side buttons. So once you select the tone you want, you press P3 again. Alright, now let's say you want to do a DCS. You press P2 and press P3, and now you can directly enter in the DCS. So I'll enter in 0. Let's see here. Oh wait. In this mode you have to use the top side buttons to arrow up, and then press P3. That P3 moves you to the next one, and then you're using the side top again to go up or down. Press P3 again, and then side up to give you 546. Then you press P3 to lock it in. Now you're at TX, so you can go through the same process on that. And once you're done with TX, Now you're at the text screen. So you press P3, and now you're ready to adjust your first position. It's currently flashing. You can press number 8. I'm going to do text, or NAT, national calling. So let me find here. Alright, number 6. As you press it, there we go. I've selected end. And you can go through forward or backward with the star and the pound. And as you go through, it flashes the current location you're at. And when you're done, press P3. That'll move you to the end. Okay, it gives you that longer beep. That means it's locked in. And then you press the up arrow again on the up top side button. That brings you back down to Zone 1, Channel 1. Turn the radio off. Turn the radio on. And there you go, national call. And that channel's been set up through the FPP option. Nice little radio. Fits well in the hand too. It's not a little tiny ham radio. It's a very good sized radio. Thank you for watching.